A few weeks ago, George was lost in a snowstorm. The night before he disappeared, this strange new animal showed up on our back porch. We think it's an escaped mink from a nearby mink farm. The next afternoon, I let George and Luna out on my front porch. And when I went to call them in, George was gone. I called his name and he didn't return. My kids and I took turns calling his name for the next 2 hours, but he didn't come home. And then it started to snow. I reached out to neighbors and posted online asking for help in finding him. Luna and I looked as long as we could in the dark, snowy weather. I put out his litter box and we kept hoping he'd come home. But he didn't come home. My kids cried themselves to sleep.
Come here.
It was the first night ever without him home since he joined our family. We were all incredibly worried about him. Luna even slept on the stairs so she wouldn't miss him if he came home. The next day, me, Luna, my kids, and neighbors spent hours walking the neighborhood, calling his name. But he didn't come home. We all missed him so much. Later that night, Luna and I checked every hour for him. We had no luck and finally headed to bed totally brokenhearted, but we tried one last time and this happened.
Georgie, honey. Georgie, where are you? Georgie? Where are you? Georgie? 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 Okay. I hear you. I'm coming. I hear you. Luna, you hear him? Okay, you stay. Okay. Georgie, oh my God, buddy. Georgie, come here, honey. Come here. It's okay. It's okay, my love. Come here, honey. It's okay.
He was home.
Oh, that's just neat. Put your paws in. It's
okay.
Oh, look at all that dirt coming off. Oh, geez. Okay, that's not how we meant it to happen.
He had some physical injuries to recover from. We assume it was the mink, as we saw mink paw prints in the snow.
Let me at him. Come on, just give me 2 minutes with him. Just 2 minutes.
A few days ago, George went missing during a snowstorm. When we finally found him, my daughter drew him a special picture. He has napped on it every day since. George came home a week ago after being lost during a snowstorm. My daughter drew him a picture when he got home, and he still sleeps on it every day. Pets are family. After George was attacked by a mink, he stopped playing with his best friend Luna. He didn't like wrestling or chasing anymore. It had become frightening to him. For weeks, he avoided her advances to play, until one day a miracle happened. He started to play again. Now things are almost back to normal. We are so glad he's home safe.